Welcome to Bridge Motorcycles, Exeter's leading destination for everything motorcycling. Family run since 1953, we've been helping riders across the southwest find their perfect ride, gear and more. As one of the largest multi-franchise dealerships in the region, we offer a wide range of bikes from top brands like Suzuki, Kawasaki, Triumph, Honda, Piaggio, Vespa, ensuring there's something for every rider. And for those who love British motorcycling heritage, our Triumph section is a must-see. As an official Triumph dealer for Devon and Cornwall, we're proud to offer the latest models, from modern classics to performance roadsters. But it's not just about the bikes, the right gear makes all the difference. In our clothing and accessories department, you'll find helmets, jackets, gloves, and a variety of riding essentials from the world's leading brands. No matter what you're looking for, we've got you covered. And when it's time to take a break, there's no better place than Café 53, our in-house cafe, where riders can meet, recharge, and enjoy some great food and coffee. Here at Bridge, we know that keeping your bike in top condition is just as important as finding the right one. Our dedicated service team are here to assist with everything from manufacturer warranty repairs to routine maintenance. Behind the scenes, our skilled technicians work in our fully equipped workshop. As we move across to our newly renovated Honda showroom, you'll see it's designed with riders in mind. With dedicated spaces for different riding styles, this is where you can explore the full range of Honda bikes in a modern, inviting environment. And for those looking for something pre-owned, our used bike warehouse is full of great options. With one of the largest selections in the southwest, we've got bikes to suit every budget and riding style, all thoroughly inspected through our rigorous 47-point PDI check, ensuring they're ready for the road. At Bridge Motorcycles, we welcome riders of all kinds. Whether you're looking for your first bike or your next, we're here to help fuel your journey and get you on the road.